Okay, everyone, I really hate it when kids mess with fire alarms in schools. I really hate that because what those kids are doing is risking people's safety inside the school and outside of the school. Kids that mess with fire alarms in schools should be suspended, expelled. They should be grounded by their parents. And when they are adults at 18 years old and older, they should be fined and arrested by the police. Because it is a felony to mess with fire alarms in schools and in every public building. I am done with kids messing with fire alarms in schools. This behavior must stop right now. Bye.